Mineral deposits formations processes. Contents: types of mineral deposits formation processes, mineral or metal examples, and conclusions. Mineral deposits. Mineral deposits are accumulations of valuable minerals that are of economic interest to humans and are concentrated in certain areas of the Earth's crust. This concentration can be the result of a number of factors, including magmatic processes, hydrothermal fluids, sedimentary processes, and weathering. Types of mineral deposits formation processes: magmatic processes, hydrothermal processes, sedimentary processes, metamorphic processes, placer processes, and weathering processes. Magmatic processes. Some mineral deposits are formed through the cooling and crystallization of magma. As magma cools and solidifies, it can precipitate minerals which may accumulate to form ore bodies. Examples: magmatic deposits include deposits of chromite, platinum, nickel, and copper. Hydrothermal processes. Hydrothermal fluids that are rich in dissolved minerals can deposit those minerals when they come into contact with colder rock. Hydrothermal deposits are common in areas with active or recently active volcanoes, hot springs, and geysers. Examples: hydrothermal deposits include deposits of gold, silver, lead, zinc, and copper. Sedimentary processes. Sedimentary mineral deposits are formed by the accumulation of minerals in sedimentary rocks. These deposits can form through a variety of processes, such as precipitation from evaporating water, replacement of existing minerals, or the accumulation of minerals in pore spaces and sedimentary rocks. Examples: sedimentary deposits include deposits of iron, manganese, uranium, and phosphate. Metamorphic processes. During metamorphism, mineral deposits can form through the recyclation of existing minerals, the growth of new minerals, or the replacement of existing minerals by other minerals. Metamorphic minerals deposits are common in areas where rocks have been subjected to high temperature and pressure. Example: metamorphic deposits include deposits of graphite, garnet, talc, marble, or from limestone. Next is the placer processes. Placer deposits are formed by the accumulation of minerals in stream beds or on the surface of the ground. These deposits can form when minerals are eroded from their sources, rock, and transported downstream by water or wind. Examples: placer deposits include deposits of gold, tin, and diamonds. Weathering processes. Some mineral deposits can form through the weathering and decomposition of existing rocks. Weathering can cause the release of mineral ions into soil and groundwater, which can then accumulate to form mineral deposits. Example: weathering deposits include deposits of bauxite, aluminum, laterites, nickel, iron, kaolinite, and clay. Next is the conclusion. Mineral deposits form via various processes such as magmatic, hydrothermal, sedimentary, metamorphic, placer, and weathering. Each process produces specific minerals based on geologic conditions. The discovery and development of mineral deposits is an important aspect of the mining industry, which provide the raw materials needed for many products and industries.